Right, see, it is inequalities. Yes, sir. So we have to work out in the 10th class inequalities. But today we are going to draw the figure of the inequalities. So this is the equality. It is the equality. That's why we show with the line. Inequalities. Inequalities mean open bracket or closed bracket is there. It is included or not included, or that is the open bracket or closed bracket. That's why what is the solving of inequality? Okay, na? What is the solving of inequality? Now everyone note down exercise 6.2. Everyone note down exercise 6.2. First problem. Solve the following inequality graphically. Solve the following inequality graphically. Right, see the first problem, note down. Solve the exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. First problem, note down, everyone. Exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Everyone note down the first problem. Exercise 6.2. Everyone note down the first problem. So solve the following inequality. X plus y less than 5. X plus y less than 5. Okay, na? So this equation is given mean. So in the solution, how can you write C? So first point C, we are going to write consider. So first you have to write down consider x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Immediately draw the graph. X and y table is draw, everyone. X and y table should be draw. X and y table should be draw, everyone. So x is equal to 0, take. Let x is equal to 0. Then what is the value is? Y is equal to x plus is the 0 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5. In x place is 0, y value is 5, write down. Y value is 5, should be write down in table. Next, let y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. X we don't know. Y place is a 0 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Now write down y is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 5. Table is closed. Okay, na? First, everyone write down this step. Consider. Sir, we have to make these in graph books, sir. Present it, draw on the notes only. Okay, na? With the pencil. Notes only with the pencil. Okay, na? Right, everyone. First, everyone, you have to remember. Consider x plus y is equal to 5. The step should be write down. Okay, na? That should be write down. Next, x is equal to 0. What is the y value? Find out. Y is equal to 0. What is the x value? Find out. Draw the table. Okay, na? Draw the table. Only two values is sufficient for us. Only two values is sufficient for us. Is it clear, everyone? Right. Next, what we are going to write is draw the graph. Everyone, take your notes and take the pencil and draw the graph. This is the x dash. This is the y and y dash. Origin is the point of intersection is the origin, and x points you can take 1. This is the 2, 1 centimeters difference. This is the 4, and this is the 5. Here also this is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 2, and this is the 3, and this is the 4, and this is the 5. You should put the bars. Okay, now x is 0, y is 5. It is on y-axis. Round up. X is 0, y is equal to 5. It is on y-axis. Y value only we have, no x value. X is 5, y is equal to 0. Round up, put the point on x-axis. Here is Now here is everyone observe. Less than 5, no equal. Less than 5, no equal. No equal means you should be draw the line of dotted line. You should draw the dotted line only. You should draw the dotted line only because of no equal. No equal. That's why you should draw the dotted line. Equal means straight line. Equal means straight line. Everyone draw the dotted line only. Everyone draw the dotted line only. Right. Everyone draw the dotted line only because of no equality. No equality. Equation 1C. No equality. That's why draw the dotted line. Equal means straight line you can draw. Okay, na? No equality. You should draw the dotted line. Next. Next, what we have to be. So this line downside 1 point, this line upside 1 point we can take. Okay, na? This line downside 1 point, upside 1 point we can take. Downside point is already in the line, mean draw the graph is the downside. No means draw the graph is the upside. Okay, na? Downside point I am going to take any point we can take 1 and 1 or 2 and 2. Better is the x 0 0 I am taking. 0 0 is the better. Downside of this line is I am taking any point. So downside 1 1 we can take, no problem. 2 2 we can take, no problem. 3 3 not included. 3 3 not included. 3 3 not included. Only 2 2 1 1 it should be take. Only 2 2 1 1 or 0 0. Better is the 0 0 we can take. Any value, no objection. Better is the 0 0 we can take. So I am substituting in the equation is 0 0. I am substituting in the equation is 0 0. What happens we can see. So don't write. Here is I am going to first I am going to substituting 0 0. Now I am substituting 0 0. So now 0 0. So in given equation 0 0 means x place is the 0, x place is the 0, this is the x place is the 0, y place is the 0. Okay, na? So now 0 0 in given equation, what is the given equation is? Now, so now put 0 0, everyone see. Now put 0 0, 0 0 means x place is the 0, y place is the 0. In given equation, what is the given equation number? X plus y less than 5. In given equation, x plus y less than 5. Okay, and determine if this point and determine if this point satisfy, if this point and determine this point satisfy the given equation, satisfy the given equation or not, given equation or not. Right, everyone see. I substitute 0 0 in this equation. X place is the 0, y place is the 0, less than 5. That is 0 is less than 5. 0 is the less than 5. True na false na? See. 0 is less than 5. This is true. This is true. True means immediately draw the graph shade. Draw the shade downside. Draw the shade downside like this one. Take pencil and draw the shade downside. Draw the shade downside. Draw the shade downside. That's enough. That's enough. Take the pencil and draw the shade downside. Yes, sir, completed. Take the pencil and draw the shade downside. Okay, now completed. Completed, everyone. Take the pencil and draw the. Not understanding last part, sir. Abhay, what is the last part? Is C. Here 0, 0 substitute na. 0, 0 substitute na. 0, 0. 0 is less than 5 or not less than 5 or 0 is less than 5 na. True na. True means this point is true. This point is true means draw the graph is downside. This graph is failed. This condition is failed means draw the graph is upside. 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. If false mean we draw the graph is upside. Don't false mean draw the graph is upside. True means draw the graph is 0 side. Okay na? So true mean draw the graph is 0 side. False mean draw the graph is the upside. Okay na? Abhay, clear now? Okay. Everyone work out the second problem. First, everyone exercise second problem. Now see 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Any one condition. Any one condition. First, everyone consider 2x plus y is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 6. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 6. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 6. Write down. Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Then X is equal to 3. Write down. Then X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 0. Then X is equal to 3. Next. After that, everyone see. So now this sentence is the common for everyone. Now put 0, 0 in the given equation. What is the given equation is? 2x plus y. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. And determine if this point satisfies the given equation or not. Substitute 0, 0 in this equation. So x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus y also 0 greater than 6. This is 0 is greater than or equal to 6 is the false. 0 is greater than or equal to 6 is the false. Immediately everyone draw the figure. Draw the figure. So x is 0, y is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, this is the point on y-axis. This is the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. 3, 0. Here is equal is given. Greater than or equal is given. Equal is given. That's why straight line draw. Draw the straight line. Everyone draw the straight line. Draw the straight line. Now, false or true na? See, false. False means draw the graph is upside. Draw the graph is upside. False means draw the graph is upside. That's enough. False means draw the graph is upside. False means draw the graph is upside. True means draw the graph is downside. So false means draw the graph is upside. Everyone draw the graph. Everyone draw the graph now. Understand? False means draw the graph is upside. True means draw the graph is downside. Okay, na? Clear everyone? Right. Can I stop today? So time is over. Today I will stop. Small break is happening. That's why. Okay. Oh, okay. All wish you happy new year in advance, everyone.